Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a qBLOC. This is a A65 GaN fast charger and you can use it for multiple things. Has 3 years warranty and it looks like this. You would think it's bigger, but it's actually quite compact. This is some information for you. You can pause the video. I really like how compact it is, and being able to use it in different countries, that's amazing as well. So if you're using either of these, you get 65 watts, 30 watts on this. So I guess when you use 30 watts on this will slow down as well. And this is probably going to slow down even more, because in total it's 65 watts. So I don't know how we'll divide that. We shall see. So yeah, you get the British, the European, and then let's see, did they include another cable as well? Okay. So you have to use your own cable, which I'm sure you have at home. So obviously for a US is this. Very nice. Let's get on and test it a bit. Okay guys, so let's charge some speakers. So this is a USB USB A to C. I'll plug that in there. It's the other way around. USB C to USB C. Let me just pause the video and then I'll show you. Okay guys, so all plugged in there, so let's start charging. So this is the USB A 6.6. That's where we're gonna plug in USB C, and you see it cuts out and then it recalculates. The moment this one is using 10, and one more which I hope I can open. Okay, and this is and again it's gonna stop, and then let's see, we'll leave it a bit to charge. Okay, so what we have here now, so that's charging with 6.8 watts. That's the USB A, and this is 9 watts, and that's 9 watts. It was capable of charging more, but now it's just charging with 9 watts and 9 watts. Cool. Now what if I want to charge a laptop? Let's see what is happening here. So currently it's not charging the laptop, it's still charging the other devices, but I'm gonna disconnect them. And because 65 watts should be able to charge a laptop. Let's disconnect the others just in case. Even try to unplug, plug back in. Nothing. Let's try with a different cable. I mean, you should definitely charge this laptop. It does say 65 watts. And I think they do say you should charge a Apple. So I'll put that in USB-C 1. Plug that back in there. I think that's on the floor. Don't know if he's thinking about it, but it says 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Okay. Maybe this laptop is full, because I normally keep it charged in the dock. Let's see another laptop. Okay. At least we know it's charging. So this one was probably full. So that's why we didn't want to charge it. So yeah, as you can see, it's picking up. So it's charging the laptop with so it went up to 42, 39, 40. It goes around there, 39. Okay, so it does charges a laptop as well. Would it still charge a laptop if I charge one of these speakers as well? Not too sure. Let's try. Because obviously still some power left in there. So this one shows 10, 9 watts. And that one still 23, 28. Nice. So you can charge a laptop with 36, 39 probably. And this one shows 9 watts. As you can see in there. And what if I plug in this USB? Would that also charge another speaker? That's the question. So they will cut out again. Okay, brilliant. So this is 36. That's 11 watts. And then that's 9 watts. 10, 9 watts. Yeah, nice. And that's still 36, it shows. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. A really good travel charger. You can charge your laptop and two other devices at the same time. Thank you for watching.